Hey there, fitness family. It's the Buff Camper here. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of our health and fitness journey, sleep. That's right. We're talking about the role of sleep in muscle recovery and overall fitness. Before we dive in, let's talk about the science behind sleep. Sleep is divided into several stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and your REM sleep. Each stage plays a vital role in our body's recovery and repair process. During deep sleep, our body releases a growth hormone which is essential for muscle repair and growth. This is when a majority of muscle recovery and tissue repair occurs, allowing us to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the next workout. But it's not just about muscle recovery. Sleep also plays a crucial role in other aspects of our fitness journey. Lack of sleep can lead to increased levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which can hinder muscle growth and increase fat storage. On top of that, lack of sleep can negatively impact our cognitive function, reaction time, and overall performance during workouts. You ever feel sluggish after a night of tossing and turning? That's your body telling you it needs more rest. So how can we ensure we're getting quality sleep to support our fitness goals? Here are a few tips that anyone can do and you've likely heard of. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal your body that it's time to wind down. 3. Optimize your sleep environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. 4. Limit screen time before bed. Blue light can disrupt sleep patterns. And 5. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime as they can interfere with your sleep quality. To end it, sleep is not just downtime, it's an essential component of our fitness journey. By prioritizing quality sleep, we can enhance muscle recovery, improve overall fitness, and optimize performance during workouts. So anyways, thanks for watching the video. Remember to prioritize your sleep for better gains. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this one. Until next time, sleep tight and stay fit.